honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. Okay, today I'll be making some sticky barbecue sauce, sticky sweet barbecue sauce chicken. I think I will put it in the air fryer. Okay, I'll be making some canned glory greens. These are good. Yes, I said canned. Ain't nobody got time to be picking no greens. Okay, and some canned yams. Of course, I doctored up everything. And some boxed macaroni and cheese. I can cook, y'all. I learned how to cook. But I ain't got to be doing all that like I used to. Okay. You want to see some of the seasonings? I'll be using the Cicero Ave bird rub on my chicken. Also with some Italian seasoning. Some cayenne pepper. I'll be using my yellow mustard on my chicken wings. Some open pit barbecue sauce. This is the honey. And some Kinder's barbecue sauce. It's the honey hot. And y'all know how I season. For my yams, I'll be putting in some white sugar, some cinnamon, and a little touch of nutmeg. Okay, let me wash the chicken and I'll be back. Hey y'all, I'm gonna finish. Okay, I went and sat down for about an hour and a half. I wasn't feeling up to par. So the wings have been sitting here. They've been rinsed off and patted dry. So I'm gonna finish. Cause we got to eat. Okay, let me lower this. Y'all can see me season these wings. That's what the wings look like. Okay, I'm going to put in some yellow mustard. Whoa, wipe that mustard off. Come on now. Mustard went everywhere. Okay. I'm going to add pepper, of course, always. You can't see it coming out, but it is. You're not going to eat all these wings? One said he wants about 4. And I don't even feel like eating right now. I'm putting in this Cicero Ave bird rub. Bought this on Amazon. And it's good. Sprinkle it freely. I'm going to mush everything together. What's in here? I can't read that. Red pepper. Italian seasoning. I know the first time Walter invited me over to his place, he made me some spicy chicken wings, and they were good. Oh, this is orange pepper seasoning. And he taught me how to cook. Man, he ain't taught me nothing. He back there singing. Guess he's feeling pretty good. I woke up this morning and I came in the kitchen. Then I started rejoicing because I wasn't dizzy. It's feeling good. And a little while later, I got dizzy again. And then I went to get my package off the porch, my Amazon package. Let me show y'all what happened. Okay, I went to bend down to get my stuff off the porch. I forgot that bending down makes me more dizzy. And I started to do one of these numbers. Almost fell off that porch. Walter said, "Girl, you know I would have got it for you." I was feeling fine. Then I got up and made 2 or 3 videos. Mostly the diamond painting videos. Folks don't seem to care about too much, but I'm just showing what I like to do. I know what y'all care about by what you watch. I don't get that many watch views on my diamond painting videos, but that's what I like. My channel is about what I like. Now I know I'd get views all day, every day if I just did crispy, golden brown, air fryer chicken or catfish. I'm still gonna do them things, but I like to do what I like and show what I like to do. Okay, I need some more seasoning. Maybe some more of this. Orange pepper. I like to see my seasoning. It's not going to be too salty. I already made the mac and cheese. I got everything in the pots. I got the greens in the pot. I got the candied yams in the pot with the cinnamon, and I got a little bit of ginger in there and a little nutmeg and some pats of butter. Just ready for me to turn the fire on. And the greens, I put a little of the chicken bouillon powder in it. That seasons good. So the chicken, gotta fix it. And the mac and cheese, I fixed it. So I put in mozzarella cheese. Of course, the cheese packet that come with the box mix. After it's done, I added some mozzarella cheese and some, what's that white cheese? Cream cheese. Always put cream cheese. Now, this won't be baked macaroni and cheese. I just made it on the stove, so I didn't put in the eggs and all that. I did add some pepper. Hey, look at these wings, y'all. Look how seasoned they are. Okay, this out my way. You know what? I'm gonna put a pan in here. I'm not gonna use this, what you call it, fry tray, whatever you call this thing. I'm gonna put a pan in here. I'll be back. And then I'm just gonna cook in the bottom of my, you know what? I'll just put the wings in here. And you see I didn't even cut nothing. I don't feel like it. Okay, what the one's for? And these are regular sized wings. They made them big old giant crazy wings. Just 6, 7, Okay, 8 is enough for us. Now put this up. Looks like I got about 8 more. And I don't plan on doing nothing else to these wings. Put in the barbecue sauces right here in the bottom of the air fryer basket. It's 8 wings down there. It looks like it'll hold about maybe 12 regular size wings. And these are regular size wings. So these are going to be sticky, sweet barbecue wings. Blessed and highly flavored. Put in this. I think you're supposed to refrigerate this after you open it. Don't know. Yes, refrigerate after opening. Yeah. Ain't gonna kill nobody today. Okay. Then I have to hide my sauce. So Walter don't overdo it. And he will. How they look. This is my Paula Deen 10-quart air fryer, which I love. And I ain't supposed to, but I do. You don't know about her remarks, but I got something that would benefit me. I'm put on. Oh, somebody wanted to see the fish setting the other day when I made fish. It's 360. Y'all see that? It's light. Well, basically it's 360 for 10 minutes. That's the fish setting. Look, I'm putting on the French fry setting. That's 400 degrees for how many minutes? I think 18, yeah. I'm going to add 2 more minutes for 20 minutes. Turn it on. Let it do what it do. Pull it out from the wall so it don't bubble my paint. So I will be back, y'all. I'm going to go sit down. It's 5:04 p.m. on Sunday. So I got the mac and cheese already cooked. Here's my greens. Oh, this thing. And season these with some of that chicken bouillon powder. Ouch. And my yams, still waiting for them to reduce and get real sticky. Got butter in here and cinnamon and sugar and ginger and nutmeg. Yeah. I don't know why they didn't make a top for this pot. This is my time and table, black and gold speckled cookware. It cooks very well. The only thing I would change about it is I would make the handles so they don't get hot. They get very hot. But everything cooks well. Cooks like cast iron. Okay, of course I know you can't expose it to the high heat like cast iron. Okay, let me check on my chicken. It's been cooking for 9 minutes. I put some more barbecue sauce in there, a different kind. Cooking quite nicely and smelling good. Took this thing, I didn't use it. Okay, let me go. Okay, y'all, this is my dinner. I said I wasn't ready to eat right now. greens, mac and cheese, sticky barbecue wings, and some candied yams. That's a good dinner. Okay, I'm about to get my eat on. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, y'all. This is my dinner. That's a good dinner here. I would pay $20 for this meal. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. I'm going to eat and I'm going to lay down. I'm so tired. Okay. Bon appetit. Bye. I'm not going to do no taste test today. Everything is piping hot. I'm going to sit down and eat.